Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the drinking shop inventory system using Android Studio. Let us show the demo first. Right. Now here this is the demo. Right. Here there will be three items available: Fanta, Coca-Cola and Pepsi. If you order Fanta quantity 1, right, here added the things here calculate. If you refresh it, calculate the subtotal here. If you order another item Coca-Cola quantity 2, it's added. Refresh it, you can have a subtotal here. If you have a Pepsi quantity 1, click OK, refresh it. Here it's successfully added the table successfully. So subtotal will be displayed here, right? This kind of simple system, how to do step by step, we'll see. Right now I am going to go to the file. I am going to create the new project. File, new project. Here I am going to create as a drinking shop. Drink shop. Right. Click next. Next. Select the empty activity. Next. Finish. Now your app is successfully created. Here your app folder consists of two major folders, Java and RS folder, right? Inside the RS folder there will be the folder called layout. Inside this layout folder we have a file called activity main.xml. Here where I am going to design the app, right? This is a default one, hello world. Here this is the, go to the Java folder. Inside the Java folder there will be the file called main activity. Here where we code the coding, right? So first what I am going to do is, here I am going to design the app. So first go to the text. Here I am going to change the constraint layout as linear layout. Alright. After that we have to make the changes here. Orientation we have to change it as vertical. This one should be the must. After that gravity center we have to give here. Right. This is the things we have to do. After that we have to delete them inside the text view, default text view, right? You can look at the design, it's an empty one, right? Now what I am going to do is, here first I am going to create the linear layout again. Linear layout, inside here linear layout. Here we have wrap content. After that we have to write, here is a horizontal. You have to write as a horizontal here, orientation horizontal, right? So here, right, perfect. Right. Now inside this linear layout we have to design the heading, right? So we have to write a text view, wrap text. After that we have to write wrap text. We have to write here text, Android text. We have to write here is drinking shop, drink shop, pause. Using Android. Right, perfect. Here this heading should be displayed here. Here if you zoom in, check. Right, here there will be the another stuff here, blueprint, you can check here. Right, perfect. Now let's go to the text. Okay, after that we have to increase the text sizes. That will be the important stuff. Let me give as 20 dB. Right, 20 dB. After that text color we have to change it as we have to change this one as a primary. Okay. After that gravity center, you can check here. We have to have a nice heading. Right. After that what I am going to do is, here heading is we successfully did the heading. Right. After that we have to do the another layout, same linear layout. Get the copy, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below. Here we have to change the thing is, here is inside the text field we have to remove it. Here we have to remove put the check boxes. So we have to write checkbox. Also we have to write here is match parent wrap content. We have to write like this, right? After that we have to write here ID is must, checkbox ID we have to write here ID CHK1, right? CHK1 means checkbox 1. Text we have to give as a Android text we have to give as a, this one should be Fanta. Right, so strong Fanta. You can check here, Fanta. Perfect. You can here see here it's a Fanta is perfectly displayed. Okay, you see. After that, what I am going to do is here same thing. You have to same checkbox. This same linear layout. I get the copy. Control C to copy. Control V to paste below. This one should be second one. You have to change it as ID should be CHK2. Here we have to change it as a Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Cock, right. Second one Coca-Cola. After the third one, you have to change it as Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. This one you have to change as T3. You have to change this one as a Pepsi. Pepsi, right? Simple. You have three choice: Fanta, Coca-Cola, and Pepsi. Right? This is three choice. We have right. Okay. Perfect. Right. Now what I am going to do is here another stuff. We already complete the task. After that, what I am going to do is here. If you want to make the color for that, you can give the color here as well. Text color you can give. Text color if you can change, right? If you click primary here, it can change text color as well. If you change here as a text color, Asian, you can change. Another thing you have to default, right? Now you can check the app. Right here, Fanta, Coca-Cola, and Pepsi. Right, perfect. Right. Now what I am going to do is here we have to do the remaining stuff. Right. After the Pepsi layout, we have to do the another stuff is we have to create the buttons. So let's Control C to copy this layout, Control V to paste below. Here we have to get the copy. We have to remove it. Instead of the checkbox, we have to write a button. Buttons are important stuff. Button also wrap content. After that, ID button ID should be must. ID BTN1. After that, text add. After that, background color Asian. Right. Perfect. After that, this same thing. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be refresh. Here also this one should be BTN2. BTN2. Here we have to change the background color as we have to give this button. We have to change the color as okay, right. Perfect. Okay. You have to change the color. Simple. If you have to text color, if you want to change the button text color, if you put the white, it is very nice. Here it's nice. This one also nice if you put the color as text color as white. This is a color code of the white 3F. Right? This is a button, simple button. Right? Okay. Here it's nice. Now the app should be nice. Right. Now what I am going to do is here. After the button layout, we have to create the another thing as this one. Here simply we have to create the linear layout. Again we have to create the linear layout. Same linear layout, we have to get the copy again. Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Here what I am going to do is here same thing, horizontal. Here we have to remove the button, two buttons. Here we have to write, first we have to write a text view. Wrap content, text. You have to write here is subtotal. Right. After that, we have to write another thing is edit text. also rep content. Here we have to write layout margin 5. We have to put as a 5. You have to write 5 sp. Simply you have to put here. After that, you have to write background color. Also, you have to change it as a primary. Text color, we have to change it as a white. So it's a white color. After that, you have to change it as a enable false. Enable false means we can only write. We can only see the subtotal only. We can't write on that text box. So, okay. So EMS you have to write here is 10. Right. You can change the design. Right. Why it's a problem is text color. Right here, text. This is not a text. This is not a text. Text color. That's the problem. Text color. Right. I wrote this text. Right. Perfect. Perfect design. Right. This is subtotal. Right. Okay. After that, below we have to create the table. Right. We have to create the table. So we can create another copy. Control C to copy. Control V to paste below. Right. Here we can. This one should be here. Now this one should be a table creation vertical. This one we no needed. We have to remove them. Right. Inside here we have created the table. Right. So first we are starting from the table layout. Table layout. Table layout, first we have to write match parent. With match parent height we have to write 200 right, height dB. This one should be dB. After that we have to write the ID. You have to write here ID TB1. Right. After that you have to write this one columns. Right. You have to put as here asterisk. Right. Perfect. Perfect. This one should be perfect. Sorry. This one should be perfect. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to write table row. Table row we have to write here. First your table row we have to write here is layout. Table row layout width. Layout width here we have to write match parent table row also, and layout height wrap content. Right. After that ID table row ID, this one should be the must, right? Table ID we have to write TB row. Right, TB row. That's the things we have to must. I do the must. Right. Now we have to do the things. Right. Perfect. Okay, this is the thing we have to do. After that, inside the table we have to inside the table row. This is the table layout. This is a table row. Inside the table row we have a columns. Now here we have to first create the column. Text view we have to write here is first text view. You have to write. We have to write simply. This one should be text view. Layout width. You have to write wrap content. Layout height. This one should be wrap content. After that, text. You have to write this one should be the product name. Product name. Right. Here, this one should be ID. After that, ID column ID. First we have to write this. Here to write T1. This one should be ID. This ID should be must when you are calculating, right? So this one should be must, right? Now here we have to set it like this. Now the same thing we have to do the remaining stuff as well. Same text field, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Right. The second one should be this one should be price. This one should be T2. Third one should be quantity. T3. After that, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. T4, this means total. Right. Now you can have a check. Your table column is created successful. Right. Now we complete the designing stuff well. We successfully complete the designing step well. After that, I am going to go for the code part. Right. So what I am going to do is here, go to the main activity. This is the main activity. Double click on this one. This is the main activity. Now first main activity, what I am going to first write is, we have to create the private string. We have to write the 3 quantity variable. So we have to write first one should be the Fanta quantity equal string variable. So you are going to write string, right? After the second one should be private string. We have to write second one should be the this one. Coca-Cola, right? Second one should be, what is the second one? Coca-Cola. Second one should be the Coca-Cola. You write the second Coca-Cola. Coca. Right, you write Coca-Cola. Coca quantity. Third one should be private string Pepsi. Perfect. Right. After that, what I am going to write is here, we have to create the array list, right? We have to create 4 array list here. Private array list. Like this, it should be string type. String type. This first one should be the data equal new array list. Control C to copy. Sorry, we have to copy from here. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, here, right like this. Okay. So here, why I create the array list is, we can't add the data directly into the table columns. So we have to create the array list and we will be able to add the data, right? So that we have array list is must when you add the data into the table layout in Android Studio, right? Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. Second one, second data 2, data 3, data 2, data 3, because we have 4 columns available, so we have to create a 4 array list. Okay, that's the thing must. After that, we have to create as a private table layout table. This one should be table. Alright, that's it. After that, we have to create the edit text. We have to create the edit. We need the edit text. Edit text. ed1 comma ed2. Right. Okay. After that, we have to create another thing is a checkbox. So checkbox ch1 comma ch2 comma ch3. We have 3 checkboxes available. Edit text, we have only one edit text available here. This only one edit text available. Checkbox 3 available. After that, we have created a button. We have 2 buttons. We have 2 buttons, B1 comma B2, refresh and add button. So we have 2 buttons here. Right, simple, right? After that, go inside the onCreate method. We have to write here is, first we have to get this variable checkbox ch1 equal find view id r.id dot first checkbox chk1 mean this checkbox name. If you click this one here, chk1, right? We given here while writing the code here these names here. chk3 mean checkbox Pepsi, 2 mean Coca-Cola, 1 means Fanta, right? This ID is important, right? So let's back to our main activity.java. After that, same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Second one should be chk2. This chk2 we have to get here. chk2 mean Coke, 3 mean Pepsi. this one 3, right. Perfect. After that we get the edit text. So ed1 equal the name, what the name you have to write here, text box. We didn't give the id here, so go here, subtotal, we didn't give the id. All the stuff you have the id, we have to write here simply id tx is sub, right. This is sub total, right. So the same id you have to get it here, ed1 equal find view by id r dot id dot, you have to write here txt sub. Perfect. It's perfect, right. It's perfect. Okay, it's working perfectly. Now what I am going to do is here, it's everything working fine. Now we have to do the another stuff is simply we have to write another stuff is we get a button. We have to get a button. First b1 equal find view by id r dot id dot btn1. After that you have to write here btn1. After that b2 equal find view by id r dot id dot btn2. Right. Now first what I am going to b1 dot set on click listener new view on click listener, right. Okay. Now when you click the b1 it goes to the method here, right. So I am going to create the here we have to create a separate method, right. So we have to create a separate method here. So we have to easily to write the code for that, right. So we have first we have to write here is sales. So we have to write public method, you have to write public void sales, right. First we have to write inside the method, we have to write checkbox, we have to check if chk1 mean what is checkbox, this one, it's relevant to the product Fanta. If the user checkbox 1, there is the call checked is checked. So we have to write here is first we have to import on this one, we have to get the final text table row, this table row, this one table row, right, table row equal new table row, this you have to write like this, right. Second one should be, this one should be a table rows, right. The keyword is must find right here, right, because I am going to write as a input box in this Android, so that we have to write the final variable, right. So final set across t1 equal, you have to write new text view, because we have a 4 columns, we have to put like this, right. We have a 4 columns here. So 4 table row, we have a 4 columns. Inside the table row we have 4 columns, right. We have 4 columns, right. So we have to write like this, get a copy, convert with the paste here, right. Second one, third one, fourth one, we have to make like this, right. Here we have to end the statement, column to end the statement, simple one, okay. It's not that much of hard. Here I am going to create the input box. When you click check this Fanta, click add button, it asks the quantity to add. So how to add the thing is, you have to write alert box, alert dialog dot builder, you have to write builder equal new, right, new, you have to write new, the same thing you have to copy, control C to copy, control V to paste here, builder this, dot write this keyword, right. Perfect. After that what I am going to do is here we have to write builder title, builder dot set title we have to write enter the quantity, simply you have to write enter the quantity. After that we have to write a final, keyword, final edit text input, this is how you have to import the input box, equal new edit text, you have to write this, so this keyword, this you have to input the input box in Android. After that you have to write input dot set input type. Set input type. Set input type. We have to write input type dot type class text. Right. Here we have to write builder dot set view. You have to write here input. Perfect. After that you have to write here is builder dot set positive set positive button. Here we have to write simply OK, comma new dialog interface. You have to write simply, it's created the interface look like this. Simply you have to create like this. Now here we have to write here is you have to write first you have to write string. This one should be the Fanta equal, first one should be chk. What is this one? chk1. Control C copy chk1. Fanta means chk1 dot get text dot toString. The user select the checkbox, click add button. Fanta should be added into the list variable. Right, fine. Perfect. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to write another thing is price. So int we have to give the price in code. So we have to write Fanta f price. We have to write this as f price. Fanta. So that I have written f price equal. I am going to write 20. Price I am going to write as 20. Right. After that, get the quantity. So here this one should be, we have to declare a variable about quantity, Fanta quantity. So get it here, Fanta quantity. Fanta quantity. We have to write here is simply input dot get text dot toString. After that, what I am going to do is here you have to write int dot equal, you have to write f price, you have to write integer dot passing. You have to write here is passing. You have to write here this one, put it here, Fanta quantity, you have to put it here. Right, perfect. This is the thing we have to do. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to write here is data dot data means we have to create the array list above this array list data. You have to get it here. So data, you have to write dot add. You have to write here is the first one should be the this one, Fanta string variable store in the column, this column name. Right. After that, you have to store second one should be the data one. Control C copy, Control V to paste here. 1, 2, 3. So for second one should be f price. Control C copy, Control V to paste here. Here we have to write here string. You have to write string dot value of. You have to write here. Right. Third one should be you have to copy this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one. Third one should be quantity, Fanta quantity. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. What is quantity? After that, price. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Got it, right? Price multiplied by quantity. We have to get the total amount. Right? That's the thing. That's how we have to do the program. Right? Perfect. This is how we have to do the program. After that, what I am going to do is here. We have to write here is simply you have to write here. We have what is the error is here. Right. Now after that, we have to write table layout. Perfect. have to write table equal, so right here the same thing, Control C to copy, we have to right here it says we have to write as a find view by ID, dot ID dot, what's the row, we have to give table TB1, TB1, this is the name we give, right, TB1, right, this one, table name is TB1, here we give TB1, it's a table name, right, so that we have to give the table name property here. After that, what I am going to do is we have to write a string variable, string total, right. Why are you creating string total variable here is we just store the value in the table, this table, not we are going to calculate, so that we have to calculate, we are storing the value only use string, right. So first we have to write the for loop, we have to write the for loop here, for initial value I equals 0, this initial value, after the condition data dot size, after that we have to write I plus plus, we have to write I plus plus, so we have to write starting at close bracket, here we have to write first string p name equal data dot get I, right. After that we have to write Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be price, PRC price, this one should be D1, D2, D3, second one should be quantity, after that this one should be, final one should be total, this total variable we have to call it here. Right. First row data, this row first, second this price, quantity and data we have to store, right. After that what I am going to do is here we have to write here is a T1, T2, we have to already write the final variable over here, we have to get it that one here, we have to write T1 dot set x, you have to write set x, we have to write this pass this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, after that this one Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right. T2 price, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, T3 mean quantity, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, T4 we have to write here total, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After that what I am going to do is here we have to write the row dot add view, we have to write T1, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, after that Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, T2, T3, T4, right. After that finally we have to write a table, we have to already create a table object here, get it here, we have to write table dot add view, you have to row, this row you have to give, okay, you have to write this line, right, then only it's added the data into the table, this table, right, that's the thing you have to do first, right. Finally we have to get another button, after that we have to get another button, after that right, we get another button, this is starting here, right. So we get another button here, here we have to write, this is starting here, right. Okay. Here we have to write another button, builder dot set negative button, positive button we have wrote, negative button, set negative button, here we have to write cancel, this button we have to write as a cancel button, you have to write the title as cancel, comma new, you have to write dialog interface, right, you have to write here, you have to get the interface like this, you have to close it here, and here you have to write the cancel, simply you have to write dialog cancel, dot cancel. You have to cancel, right? If you click, after that we have to write here. Builder dot show. If you write this method, it show the input box, right? Now here, now you have execute and check whether it's working fine or not. Right, now here if you check, click add button, it asks the quantity, it's successful. If it is cancelled, it's gone. Here if you enter the quantity here 10, click OK. Here it's price should be 20, quantity 10. Here total will be calculated successfully, right? The same thing we have to add here as well. Remaining columns also the same thing we have to add in the remaining columns as well. So how to add here is the same thing we have to copy. The same is if you have to copy to here, up to here you have to copy, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Here we have to write second one should be the else because we have to do else. This one should be 2, checkbox 2. Here also we have to change the things, right? This all the stuff are same. Here also we have to change this one as a Coca-Cola. This Coca. Here give Coca. This one should be Ctrl C to copy. We are pasting it here. Right. This one C price, Coca-Cola price. This one should be Coca quantity. Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl V to paste here. We have to we have to define above Coca quantity Pepsi. After that, right? Set right. Okay. After that, this one price, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one Coca quantity, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Right. Here we have price, C price, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This quantity, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Right. Same thing. Okay. Perfect. Other stuff are same. After that, we have to get a copy of again. Get a copy. At this time, we have to change it as a 3. C3. This one 3. Let's see. Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This P price. Pepsi quantity. This Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Pepsi quantity, Ctrl C. Pepsi quantity, separate quantity of Pepsi quantity. Sorry, Pepsi quantity, right? Quantity. Pepsi quantity. After that, here we have to Pepsi quantity, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Right. After that, this one should be Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste Pepsi quantity. Let order same. Okay, perfect. That's all the stuff are same. Right. This is simple stuff you have to do. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right. Go here. Click Pepsi. Sorry, Fanta, 1 quantity. After that, we have to write this one. Second one, Coca-Cola, 2 quantity. Why the Fanta should be displayed here? Right, the problem is here. Second one, checkbox checked. Else if checkbox checked. Alright, the problem is here. It's 2. That's the problem. Here we have to 3. We have to change that. We didn't change the things right here. We didn't change it. That's the problem, right? Now it's worked fine. After the checkbox we didn't change. That's why the same thing is displayed. Click 1. Right here. Second Coca-Cola we have to order 2. It's working fine. It's working fine. Order the Pepsi I am going to order. This order fine. Right, all the stuff are same. Right, it's working fine. Here all the prices would be same, so that it working the same, right? The prices, all the prices I define as the same, 20 20 20, right? It's working fine. Now after that I am going to calculate the things of subtotal. It's very easy stuff to calculate the subtotal. So what I am going to do is I am going to write the code for the refresh button. For that it will calculate the total here, right? So what I am going to do is, what is the name of the button? BTN2. So go above, this is a BTN1. We have to calculate the sales stuff. After that get the ID, this one, BT2 dot set on click listener, new view, on click listener, press enter key. It automatically generates the view here. Now here first what I am going to do is, we have to write a for loop. For, we have to write int a equals 0, or the a data 3. Data 3 mean we have to calculate the total. This data 3 mean we have to calculate here. It's starting position 0, data 0, 1, 2, 3. Third position we have to calculate the total. So we have to write like this. After that we have to write dot size. Right. After that we have to write a plus plus. Right. Here we have to write, here is sum equal, we have to write here, write the int sum equals 0. We have defined as 0. Right, here is equal sum plus integer dot parse int. We have write here is data 3 dot get a dot to string. Right. After that we have to define this one in E7, E1, ED1 subtotal. So ED1 variable. This here we have to display here. This one should be, we have to txt sub. The ID should be, this ID should be, we are passing the variable this one. This variable you are getting a display. ED1 dot set text. Here we have to write, here is string dot value of, we have to write here is a sum. Okay, that's it. Now let's run and check whether it's working fine or not. Right, now here Fanta quantity 2 working fine. After that Coca-Cola 1. After that check this one 2. It's working fine. Now what I am going to do is, if you click refresh here, and that should be the subtotal display. Right, very simple app. I have shown how to do step by step using Android Studio. You have to try it while you doing the program. If you get any error, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.